Hi, Earl again from Gum Springs Community Center Assistant Director, Origami Master. I'm going to show you a little bit, some more origami. Today what I'm going to show you is a swan. But to make origami, you need to have a square. And in order to make the paper square, I'm going to fold it like this. I'm going to fold it back over like this. And then I'm going to rip this piece off. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it and fold it like I'm making an apple. Other side. So now it looks like a kite. Now I'm going to flip it over and I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold this a little bit more than half. I'm going to fold it so it extends a little bit beyond this piece right here. So right here, flatten it. Then I'm going to fold this piece down, up in halfway. And I'm going to squeeze it and fold it in half. Then I'm going to lift it up, squeeze it off, lift this up, and squeeze it off, and there you go. That's just one. Okay.